So what I've got here is the UGG Classic Ultra Minis in black. They're size 9. My daughter is super excited to get these. Let's have a closer look. Looks like you get a little thank you note there from UGG. And we'll open these up and have a look here. So that's what the boot looks like. It's got fairly heavy duty stitching here that goes right around the front to the other side like that. And then some piping around the whole perimeter right here. The back here, you've got the UGG logo and a loop. And the sole here is about probably 3/4 of an inch thick. And that's what the sole bottom looks like there. It's got a little UGG logo there. It does say here, sock and lining 60% wool, 40% lyocell, and then the sock lining backing 100% recycled polyester. Let's have a feel here. Really soft. So it's got the black around there. And then the inside the bottom. Really soft in there. These are going to be lovely for my daughter for the winter. She's extremely excited to wear them.